We take youth facing adversity and match them with a caring adult volunteer mentor. We call the mentors bigs and the mentees are called littles.
At Big Brothers Big Sisters, we have a couple of different programs. We have a community-based program that serves children starting at age 6, where the bigs and the littles go in the community and they do any activity that they think will help create a relationship and a bond between the big and the little. It's anything that the big and the little and the guardian agree on.
My little and I do all kinds of things, and it's a mixture of maybe something that I've done for a long time and I want her to experience, and if she's up for the adventure, we go for it. We recently started geocaching together, and that has been a lot of fun and very adventurous. And then there are other days when we'll just sit down in a coffee shop and color in a coloring book.
Just have fun with them.
We also have a school-based program where once a week the bigs will go to the school and either eat lunch with the little or go on their recess and just hang out with them. And then we also have an adjudicated youth program that serves age 14 to 20 for kids that are in the criminal justice system. We are constantly in need of volunteers, so the recruitment never stops.
Sadly, West Virginia is facing a number of challenging issues here in the state, and so the number is growing of youth who are needing a caring adult mentor in their life. Parental incarceration, substance abuse, children that are then going to live with grandparents. So you have the generational divide and maybe some health issues and concerns the grandparents are facing.
We are in desperate need of male volunteers. We have a large waiting list of littles, and if you are interested, male or female, in becoming a volunteer, please give us a call. I want you to think of someone who impacted your life in a positive way when you were a kid, and I want you to think that if maybe you could give back the same way.
It just really spoke to me about investing in a teenager. I could think of things in my own life where I wish that someone had been there in a certain way.
We do a variety of training both before and during the match. Before the match, it's things to identify signs of abuse, and then things what to expect and how to develop the match and how to develop the relationship and potential problems you may encounter.
Actually, my little, when I was paired with her, I found out that she had a few different big sisters over some time that for just different reasons had left town. And so it was a big priority of mine to make sure that she knew that I was going to be here for her.
Our bigs have to be at least 18 years of age, and they have to be 7 years older than their little. We are looking for people who want to volunteer. It's as simple as that. Every child that's enrolled in our program is different, so we need bigs that are different. Whether you're someone who loves outdoor activities and that's all you do, or whether you're someone who is a homebody and reads and watches TV. I mean, kids come in all different shapes and sizes, and we need bigs in all different shapes and sizes.
I was your average West Virginia teenager that grew up wanting to leave the state and said that I wouldn't come back, and then I did. And when I did, I started to look for more opportunities to be able to be involved in the community.
We ask for a year-long commitment where the big and the little see each other for somewhere between at least 4 and 6 hours a month.
I would say come check it out. Ask if you can talk with other bigs about their experiences.
Last year we had a big graduate from our program, and she'd been matched with her big sister for 8 years, and she is now on full scholarship at West Virginia University and is pursuing long-term a PhD in marine biology to work at National Geographic on research. I hear people all the time, well, they need to do this and they need to do that. No. It's what can I do to make my state, my community, my neighborhood a better place. And so by mentoring, you're not just helping a child today, but you're empowering an adult to be self-sufficient, confident, and successful in the future.
It's really an awesome opportunity to give back. There are so many people in our state that talk about leaving and talk about the struggles, the hashtag the struggle to stay, And I just think this is a great way to teach, to learn yourself and to teach a younger person that our state is worth staying in.
You can reach us at 304-746-7900 or on the internet at www.biglittlewv.org.